Welcome to our interview series, Sparking Innovations, in which we talk to leading experts in the field of digital manufacturing about sustainable and efficient production, as well as automation and AI for procurement and sales of manufactured components. Today, I'm excited to welcome Aurélien Fussel. He's Maintenance Program Manager at Alstom.
Hello, Ruben. Guten Tag. Nice to see you.
Guten Tag. Aurélien, you've been an additive manufacturing evangelist for many years now. Can you tell our listeners why you find 3D printing so interesting and why it is so relevant for Alstom?
Say that quickly. Additive manufacturing is one of the leading technology for the industry, and it's more than normal that a railway company like Alstom invest time and money and expertise in this topic. And we are very proud to have an ambitious roadmap regarding the objective to reduce 30% of our actual emission by 2030, and additive manufacturing with 3D Spark is really what a company like Alstom is looking for.
Can you give the viewers maybe an example and show them what this can look like?
We have more than 3,000 use cases in the library today. And I think that, yes, I have one example here. Okay, it's a plastic ring, initially injected one. This use case is fitted in a metro that is more than 15 years old. There is no more mold. It's a complex shape for mold. So the cost of the mold is very, very expensive. Let's 3D print it.
How exactly did this process look like?
Let's, I would say, switch to the customer experience, okay? Today, we are developing a marketplace that is called Station One. So the goal of Station One is to become the Amazon for railway. If I have a close look to the part, we have the reference on it. So let's type it now. And quickly, hopefully, this part is available on our marketplace. We click on it. And then as a customer, I ask for a quotation. And if I place the order, get my part in the blink of an eye, thanks to additive manufacturing. So what I propose you is to go behind the scene and to see when you click and you order, as I've shown you with the Station One, what happened. Okay. And we are using the solution that you know very well, that is the 3D Spark platform. And in fact, it's very easy. We can follow, I would say there is two main pillars in this platform. The first one is the library, where you can find 100, not to say 1,000 of use cases, and the dashboarding, because I would say it's very important to have a live key performance indicator, KPI, for our management and also to drive the performance on a daily basis. We did on the last years about 50 million of savings thanks to this platform. And if you want to see some figures, we can have, for example, a view on the last 12 months. Okay, you can see that, for example, if you ask me what is the main type of part that we are printing, depending on number of references or cost saving or lead time saving, the first rank on the podium is jigs and prototyping. Okay, we did 75% of the saving only on jigs and prototyping, on about close to 4 million on the last 12 months, and very close the same level between spare part and new design. Okay, that are sharing the rest of the percentage. And for us, we are now switching with more and more spare part in the coming years.
Yeah. Okay. So I think railway is already the cleanest transportation system, I think. So obviously makes even more sense to make the production also as efficient and sustainable as possible. And that is definitely something that drives us at 3D Spark as well, very much, because we believe we should produce less parts, put less, components, material in this world. But if we decide we really need something, then it should be done as efficiently as possible. So with the most efficient manufacturing technology. And this is also why we developed this CO2 footprint calculation to help with the decision making, not only regarding cost and lead time, but also regarding what is the most sustainable manufacturing decision. So very happy that we are partnering on this to support sustainable manufacturing decisions in the future.
Sharing the same dream.
Yeah.